Hey guys, this is EYI to alarms. And this is going to be system test 43, I believe, or fire alarm system test 43. So let's get started. So I have the 10UD here. You can kind of see that. Still normal. You can kind of see keys right here. So pretty much, we're going to be using this board today. This MP3 player board, because that's right, if you know the title, it's going to be voice evac. Still got it here, you can kind of see everything's pretty neat in there still. So, and yeah, it's just pretty much the same anyway. It's not really much of a difference. We have a Simplex 2003 9002 surface mount light plate with the speaker. I forget the speaker model number, but I think it's 2002 speaker, I think, but I forget the model number of the speaker, but it's a life alarm speaker. The light plate we're doing March time. As you may know, our entire is voice evac. So we have a Simplex 2003. I'm sorry, Simplex 2098 9201 smoke detector. But the 4251-21 and the 4949101 strobe. But the 499-9006. Same heat detector. And the 494 something. The 30 candela strobe. You have a 2099 pulsation. Yes, 2099. And that's Seder. We have a Simplex True Alert speaker strobe. I think it's a 4903. I think it's 4903. I forgot all these model numbers, but it's a speaker strobe. So yeah. And we have the Simplex 498-9601 smoke detector. So I think we should start doing the 4251-21 because yeah, here. Hold on a second. Here we go.
Attention. Attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit.
No, just for a second here.
Your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Maybe.
Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Nudge.
Attention.
Pin locked.
An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
Silenced by a nut seater here. Let's silence it. I have audible silence. You can see there's the 404 remote strobe. I forgot the model number of this again, but there it is. And the 494-9101 strobe. Also flashing too. So, okay. So, how about we activate our zone? I think the 2088-96. I'm sorry, 2088-9201. playing.
Attention. Attention. Attention.
You see, stop playing because this is not a program. This relay here, third relay, to silenceable. So it'll stop the message if when the silence button is pressed on the panel. But yeah. So that's activated now. Let me see the pulsation. I think I did reset the pulsation. Yes, I did. And now we'll go ahead and reset the panel. Okay. Alright. And now we're going to do the Simplex 499 9006 pulsation. Here we go.
Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. Attention.
Set that on here. The silencer here. Okay, and then we'll have reset pulsation. Set our 499 or 499 9006 pulsation. As you can see, I did. It was addressable. I took out the modules. You can see there's a terminal block in there. But yeah, I still have the module, by the way, the ID net module. But yeah, I'm gonna reset here for an estimator. Okay, we're gonna test the heat detector now. 5451 heat. So it's that. It is activated. You can see it's activated there. Here's the strobe. And the 4904 9101 strobe. And they're actually on fire alarm wire mode boxes. I forgot to tell you that, but yeah, they're on. Can't see it there. That's tested. How about with re-alarm? Okay, and we'll reset. Now I'm going to do the 494. I'm sorry, the 498-9601 smoke detector. So here we go. Smoke tester. There goes.
Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
It's quiet because the board's running at 12 volts.
Attention.
There's the strobe.
An emergency has been reported.
There's the 2003 light plate with the light order speaker.
And walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway.
See that there, strobe. Silver speaker strobe. Silence it. And now we're going to air out the smoke detector because maybe smoke lingering in their chamber. Okay. Alright. I'm going to reset now. Putting out Seder. So this module I put, well, this is actually from the homemade panel, but it actually has other messages as well. I put a couple of messages in there. The notifier and then relock. We'll do those in a minute. Because unfortunately, if you press the drill button, it will not activate this relay, unfortunately, because it's firelight, but whatever. That was dip switch 1. I think dip switch 4 is notifier, I believe. We're not really too sure, but we'll reactivate the pulsation again because if you activate the drill button, the fire drill on the 10UD, it doesn't activate the relay for some odd reason. It doesn't really activate the relay, the onboard relay that's for not silenceable, but yeah. We're going to key activate the 4251, here we go. Oh. Yes, still fire. How's that?
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire reported in the building. Please proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building.
Still fire. Let's change it here. This is wheel lock. Safe path.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please
Crazy to see Simplex. See wheel lock voice effect on a Simplex, huh?
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit.
I'll silence it from the outsider.
May I have your attention?
Oh, actually, yeah, no, we'll reset from panel. So yeah, so I got a couple of messages on that on the board. I think the second one it's only just code 3 520 hertz, but you already know what that sounds like. So there it is. This is actually coming from the homemade panel. This if you've been watching our videos lately, you may remember this MP3 player board in the homemade panel. Well, it's actually on the 10UD now. So yeah, so if you want to do voice evac, well, just get that board and that's it. Because I think, excuse me. Because real voice evac panels are very expensive because, yeah, they're just expensive. But yeah, there it is, guys. Actually, now let's actually see the strobes. Okay, there it is. Here's the 49491 strobe. The Simplex strobe, I forget the model number of this. I don't know. I don't know the description, I guess. And the True Alert speaker strobe, which is, you see audible silence. Just a strobe is flashing at the moment. So, anyway, we'll go ahead and reset from the panel. Okay, it's reporting, but I have the system on test. Okay. Yeah, there it is, guys. There's the system. The simple Simplex voice evac. Yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching.